Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to embed Calendly right into your Webflow website. By the end of this tutorial, you'll have a seamless booking system set up on your site so your clients or visitors can schedule calls or appointments with you without ever leaving your page. It's quick, straightforward, and I'll walk you through every step, so even if you're brand new to Webflow or Calendly, you'll have no problem getting this sorted. Alright, let's dive right in. First off, we need to grab the embed code from Calendly. So start by heading over to your Calendly dashboard. If you haven't created the event you want people to book yet, take a moment to set that up. It'll save you some back and forth. Now, once you see the event you want to share, look for the three dots next to its name. These dots are a little menu, and they're your gateway to all the sharing options Calendly offers. Click those three dots and you'll see a few different options pop up. What you're looking for is Add to Website. Go ahead and select that. Calendly will then ask you how you'd like to embed your event. You'll see options like Inline Embed, Pop-up Widget, and Pop-up Text. For this tutorial, we're focusing on the Inline Embed option because it keeps your booking page visible directly on your site, almost like it's a natural part of your design. Inline is perfect if you want a clean and integrated user experience, where your visitors can schedule without clicking away or opening new windows. So choose Inline Embed, then hit Continue. Calendly will generate a little piece of embed code for you. It might look a bit intimidating if you've never seen code before, but you don't have to touch or change anything, just click Copy Code. Take a breath here. If you've reached this point, you're already halfway done. Next, let's flip over to your Webflow project. Open up the site and go to the page where you want your booking system to appear. In the left side panel, you'll see the Elements section. Scroll down until you find the Embed element. It looks like a little pair of curly braces or angle brackets, depending on your version of Webflow. This is where Webflow lets you paste in custom code snippets. Click and drag the embed element onto your page, right where you want the Calendly widget to show up. This placement is important. Think about where it'll make the most sense for your visitors. Once it's in place, you'll see a box pop up asking for your code. Now just right-click and paste in that code you grabbed from Calendly, then save and close the editor. It usually only takes a few seconds, and you don't need to worry about writing any code yourself. Now it's time to make the changes live. Go up to the top of Webflow and hit the Publish button. Give it a moment to work its magic. Sometimes it takes a short while for the changes to show up, especially if your site is a bit larger. As soon as it's published, hit the Preview button to check out your handiwork. You should see your Calendly booking system sitting right there on your website. Try clicking through to make sure it loads. Everything from date pickers to the confirmation screen should work, just like on Calendly itself. And that's it. You've now got a professional, interactive booking system running on your site. Don't worry if you don't see it show up right away. Sometimes you might need to refresh or clear your cache, especially if you're working on a new page or recently made changes. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to hit that like button. If you have any questions or if you hit a snag anywhere along the way, let me know in the comments. I'm always here to help. And don't forget to subscribe for more Webflow and productivity tutorials just like this one. Thanks for watching and happy building.